If you use Microsoft Word a lot, learning this simple shortcut can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'll show you how to increase or decrease font size in Word using a shortcut so you can format text faster without constantly reaching for the mouse or hunting through menus. This is perfect for students, office users, writers, and anyone who wants a quicker workflow in Word. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more quick tutorials for you. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Word document and highlight the text you want to change. This step is important because the shortcut only works on selected text. You can select a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the entire document if you want to adjust everything at once. Once your text is selected, use Ctrl, Shift, and the greater than key, which is the same key as the right angle bracket, to increase the font size. Every time you press Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than, Word makes the selected text larger. This is a fast way to scale up text without opening the font menu or typing in a size manually. If you want to make the text smaller instead, use Ctrl, Shift, and the less than key. Every time you press Ctrl plus Shift plus less than, Word decreases the font size step by step. This is especially useful when you want to fine-tune the appearance of headings, body text, or any section that feels too large. And the best part is, you can keep pressing the shortcut repeatedly until the text reaches the size you want. So, if your text is too small, just increase it a few times. If it's too large, decrease it a few times. It gives you quick control without slowing down your editing process. Now, if the shortcut doesn't seem to work at first, make sure your keyboard layout is correct and that you're pressing the right keys together. Also remember that the text has to be selected first. If nothing is highlighted, Word won't know what font size you want to change. This shortcut is especially helpful when you're working on reports, assignments, documents, or notes and want to keep your formatting consistent. Instead of clicking into the font backs every time, you can stay focused on writing and editing while adjusting text size in just a second. You can also use this method alongside other Word formatting shortcuts to speed up your workflow even more. Once you get used to it, it becomes one of those little keyboard tricks that you'll use all the time. So to quickly recap, select your text, press Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than to increase the font size, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus less than to decrease the font size. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Word tips and software shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.